Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Viber how to change to dark mode. So this is iOS 13. You need to iOS 13 or more. You need to have the software on iOS. This is iPhone 11 Pro, just for information. So you go to Viber application here, Viber. Alright, and here you go to more, down right hand side, more, and then appearance, and then you got three options. The classic one, which you see now, the classic one is just like that. And then you go to settings here, settings, appearance, as I mentioned, and then you got the other two choices, either dark blue or black theme. Which theme you want to choose a theme. So if you choose dark blue, it will looks like that. If you choose black, it looks like that. So for black, you go back to Viber, and then you see all black. We can try blue one, dark blue. So dark blue, it looks like that. Settings, appearance, black, dark blue, classic. Also, you got option here, change default background while chatting or typing on Viber. Change default background. You got some options here to change the background on your Viber. So for example, you can choose this. You need to have internet connection to choose that. Choosing this one as a background. Choose, and then you can choose dark blue or black. I will stay on classic, just the background to be changed from default to this green one. And then when you go to the chat, you see the green background. You can choose any of them. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.